Tenant commander. I said yeah.
Okay.
No.
But that one's doing like hola.
You saw the video, right? Oh, you didn't. God.
Oh no, we're taking a test. Oh, I didn't.
No, we're not taking a test.
Advisory.
No, you don't take it as an advisory. Joyce, look over here.
Ready? Alright, we out here. We out here. We out here. Hey! I got Jack. I got Jack.
I just want to say that math class is very hard. I don't know how to function, but I think y equals mx plus b. Is that right, Gio? Oh my God!
Oh, come on, man! Don't do that.
Let's show. Okay, so this is Gian. How do you feel about Donald Trump?
Don't vote for him, vote for me.
All right, here you go. Gian is taking over.
Oh wait, there's a screen now. Whoa! Whoa! Whoa!
Whoa! It's a cat.
I want to get one of these. Why is the screen hot?
I don't think I'll have it. Oh, because
Whoa! Whoa!
I have the brightness on high.
Oh. Okay, wait. How do you stop it again? This one, right?
Oh, okay, so
I wasn't ready for this.
I can edit it.
Hey guys.
Hey guys.
Hi! Oh wait, I didn't mean that. Rude. I didn't mean that. I didn't mean that.
It's okay. It's okay. She's nice. I promise. I can edit it out if you want, anyway.
She hates our fans.
She's really nice. She doesn't bite.
It's all about the 8 subscribers. Am I right, guys?
It's actually 25 now. Get it right. And we're at the beach cleanup, and
I know. It's so fun.
I'm burned.
I'm like the only one with a GoPro here.
I mean, like, I'm super dark. It's just.
We're supposed to bully.
We can just awkwardly stare at her.
What do you edit
I was
on?
going to text Ryan the Yes.
Do you have a PC? I think you have a MacBook.
Software.
Look at Danilo. He's so lonely.
You need a Mac again,
Danilo!
guys.
Have you seen the shimmer in your head? So on point.
What program do you use to edit?
Sony Vegas Pro. Did you ask that? Someone asked that on Ask.
You asked that on yourself.
I didn't ask.
There's not
Someone asked me who you,
Pizza!
Someone asked who you like though.
Say hi to my
Wait, so
friends.
how much did you buy for it?
That?
Yeah,
the,
but yeah, friends.
I got this for free. Everything
so
else I got.
happy, like-
Oh, the Vegas Pro.
God
I
just
didn't
blessed
pay
me
for
with all these friends.
Really, you got it free? Isn't it illegal?
Legal for what?
Oh,
I got a code.
Oh.
I don't either, but I'm hungry.
No, I need food. I'm just so happy I'm gonna
Who
eat.
do you like?
Ooh, who does he like?
The camera's rolling, so.
Who do you like?
You edit it, dude.
I can edit it anyways. Everyone should know. I
Who do
mean,
you like? Exactly. Nobody can answer. He's somewhat right.
oh, pointed to Leo. Leo's gonna be our little track boy. I'm giving him a quarter of the money if we end up going big.
What?
If we end up going big,
Why do you say that? Why him? What's he doing?
he's gonna make the like background music, I guess.
Oh, cool. He's part of the group now.
But I have to give him a mix amp. I meant mini cables. Yup.
We've been here since 9 o'clock in the morning.
Oh, you're disgusting.
I drove here.
I've been here since 8:30.
I was trying to come in early, but I was waiting for Denise over here trying to go to Jan's house.
Others was already here. It was just you guys were waiting on.
I know, because like.
Yes, sir. Alright, well, we gotta go. We gotta dip. Partially dip.
Throw trash away.
Alright, we gotta go. We'll see you guys in a little bit.
See, Mikey knows how to do it.
Oh my God! that was fun.
Hey guys. So we're doing a super late outro.
Almost 3 weeks.
Why are you interrupting?
No, it is basically
Why you
almost
here?
3 weeks.
Sorry.
What?
And
Almost 3
it
weeks.
was for
The video was in what was that video? It was beach cleanup. That's how late it is.
Yeah, it's
Underwater squatting.
You guys are so mean. Get the ball. Right?
Sit down.
This
I'm just kidding.
outro is for the
It's for me.
no, Kishar doesn't matter. So
Or my seat.
I'm kidding. For the the ocean beach cleanup, which we didn't have that much film of because we were actually doing something instead of vlogging. So
She's
we're
been
actually
very busy.
very busy. And
No, he's just lazy.
Waiting for our outro.
both ways,
I want to see how you guys look like.
it's gonna be.
Oh, that's a good ass camera.
I'm only running.
Yup.